So, hi guys, I'm Fane.
Wala na, ako na nga nagre-record.
And I'm with
Hello.
Ella. So, yun guys, maglalaro tayo ng Minecraft with her. Kasi, di ba guys, mag-New Year na mamayang 12 o'clock. And, balak namin, mamayang 12 o'clock, doon kami mag-join. Tapos, basta meron na lang kami mga pasabog char. Ganun. Tapos, mag-join na tayo. Yon, tapos, ang first natin na gagawin is gagawa tayo ng bahay. So, creative muna kami and nga pala, meron pa pala kaming kasama. Si Eric.
Yeah.
Kung,
Hindi siya makasama kasi.
oo, hindi namin siya matawagan kasi sira yung mic niya, ganon. Hindi siya di siya namin makausap. Pero, tatry namin mamaya siguro kung makakahiram siya ng cellphone na maayos yung mic. Kaya, ayun. So, yan na. Locating server na tayo, guys.
So guys, kung gusto nyo guys ang secret
Ito pala yung anong tawag nito? Ito yung channel ni Eric, tsaka ni Ash. Channel ni Eric, tsaka ni Ash. At ito din yung channel ni Eric lang. Okay, subscribe guys. So, ayun na. Nag-spawn na tayo dito. Tingnan nyo guys kung ilan kami. So, we're tatlo. Si Eric ay nasa probinsya, din kami ay nasa iisang bahay lang. Stig, di ba guys? Paano kami nakaka-join? Just download nyo yung Omelette Arcade. Oh my god. Nasa na sila? Ay, ayun sila. Nakikita ko yung names. Tingnan natin tong map. Ayun sila, oh. Ang cute. Nasa ilalim sila gumagawa. Dapat sa taas tayo ng mountain. Mountain, char.
Sa taas nga kami ng mountain.
What? Saan kayo dumaan? Okay, alam ko na. May stairs there. But I wanna a puppy.
There's already my puppy.
I wanna have a puppy or a cat.
Oh look, there's a puppy there. I just put my
Spawn.
dog here. So.
Spawn? So guys, meron ditong baby. Spawn? Spawn? Cute guys. Spawn? Spawn? Si Spawn. So we're gonna... Oh my god, merong wolf.
Some of them are my wolves, so please watch out. They might let
No! No baby! No baby! Ouch! Go play with your balls there. Please. Ito pa, okay. One, this one, and this one. So, papakainin ko kayo, bigyan nyo ako ng baby.
makainin ko kayo, bibigyan mo ako ng baby. What a great trade!
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Ayan na. Ayun. Teka dito. Asan yung isa? Nandiyan siya sa damo. Okay, guys. Loh. Yun, feed. Hindi ko siya matame, guys. Paano sila gagawa ng baby? Ano sabi mo? Feed. There. And you also tame. Ano? Tumayo kayo. Ano ba yan? Paano kayo gagawa ng baby niyan? Naiinis na ako. Charot, sorry.
So we gonna
Pala.
remake it. We gonna. Okay, so
I wanna salmon. Ayun na, nagawa na sila.
done.
Yay! There's a baby. Now, bye-bye.
What am I hearing?
A dying cat. Hi there, baby.
How would you like to?
I just want a baby.
I just wanna do it. I just wanna feel appreciated.
I wanna be appreciated.
What happened?
So, yon, ililish na natin siya para hindi na siya makawala. Charot.
So guys, as you can hear,
Ang cute naman ng bata na yarn.
that's my my cousin.
I'm gonna feed you.
So
Yun na, guys.
we got something.
Ako yung kumakain.
Yun
Yun na, guys.
They might call us accidentally.
Yun na, lalaki na siya. Lalaki na siya. Lalaki na siya, guys. Ayan na, malaki na siya, guys.
Okay, so
It's my pet na. What is that? A cat as ocelot. Oh my god, ang cute. Yun na nga, kahit malaki. Papalakihin ko din naman. Yung dami ko din alam.
okay, you want the word leader. So, mabilisang quick. Yeah.
Ang cute, ba't ang liit nitong pusa? Tapos itong ocelot ang laki.
There's the red color.
Okay.
So, I think my cousin will just actually make that because I'm like just doing so just
And I need some wool.
Uy, someone is like trying to reply at me. So as you can hear, guys, stop. So that's my nickname. So like, they call me soap. Just like soap, like a dishwashing liquid.
Gags. Dishwashing liquid talaga?
Yeah.
I'm gonna spawn a wolf. Ala, ang cute! Ang liit lang na-spawn ko! I'm so...
What are you doing?
I am so...
You're not even helping us, and you're like, I'm so. What are you doing?
Oh, what are you? Ah, I'm gonna tame her pa pala. Iti-tame pa pala. Ano ba pang tame sa ocelot?
Ano yung kay Aye? Aye, guys. A nickname.
A nickname.
Aye. I don't even know for what kind of nickname is that, but I don't know. She just like it.
Aye.
Yeah.
Yun kasi, guys. Yun yung mga nickname namin. Okay, sasabihin na namin sa'yo. Sa inyo.
Nickname lang. Just like Steph.
Mama! Mama! Meron daw silang uling! Pahatid? Okay.
So I don't even know what Spain is doing, not even helping me.
Sige.
None of them even helping me, bro. Like,
Wait lang.
oh, kulang na lang si Ash.
Kaya nga.
Oh no, I just put some water in the pool.
And now, we're done with the messenger. Siguro naman hindi ako na-exit sa Minecraft. Oh my god, na-exit siguro ako. Nag-left ba ako? Nakita mo ba?
Ilan daw? So,
Ilan, ma? Mama! Ilan?
4 na kilong bigas, bro.
Okay! Join ka sa amin, aye.
Yeah, like, talk to her though. Because I'm making the house. With none of you have been helping me with that. Quite fine. Quite interesting.
Oh my god, okay, wait.
Oh no! I forgot to put this. Oh my god. This is a little bit of
Dapat pala magpasalamat ako.
Oh, thank you.
Dapat mag-thank you kayo, guys, kahit little things.
Yeah, guys.
Kasi sharing is caring, charot.
Totoo.
Basta guys, mag-thank you kayo. Wala lang, para maganda, di ba? Kasi parang, kapag may ginawa, parang feeling ng taong pinagtithankyuhan nyo na, oh, na-appreciate niya yung ganito, ganyan. Kahit maliliit, ganon. Kahit maliliit na bagay, char.
Kasi pagmamahal accept niyo yun.
What? Hoy, ikaw, what's your name?
Uy, ikaw.
How old are you? How old are you? 2. A, B, C, D. A, B, C. Oh my God, hindi ako na-exit, guys.
Why even are you guys not helping me?
Saglit lang, naghahanap pa nga ako ng aso eh.
That's not even important. What important is
Ayan
to
na,
finish the
sinit ko na
house.
siya. Pati itong isa, isisit ko to. Kaninong bahay itong nasa labas?
Huh?
Kay Eric?
Do you mean?
Huy! Gumawa siya ng bahay.
WC daw. What does that mean?
Welcome. Ligo muna ako, bye.
Are you serious?
Maliligo daw muna siya. Like, are you serious? This is his house? Sari-sarili ba tayo ng bahay?
No. For what pala to?
Ano ba ginagawa mo dyan? Patingin nga.
Hirap gumawa ng ganito.
Ano tong lever?
Wala eh.
Ayun, tingnan mo si Eric.
Over there. Down here. Wala pa yan. Hindi ko alam kung para saan ba.
Paano mo yun ginawa?
Structure boy. Wow.
Wow. Ang ganda na ng to, ano ngayon oh, water sa Minecraft.
Stop. Go.
What?
The hell? What is this?
Ito pa lang yung nagagawa nyo? Ito pa lang?
Oo.
Tanungin mo nga sa kanya kung para saan yan. Para saan yung ginagawa niyang bahay?
Done.
Ah, pet! Okay, thank you. OMG, thank you very much. Okay, okay, tutulungan ko kayo sa bahay.
Oh my god, I hate those people. I hate them.
So, yon. I'm gonna help you too.
My pet there. I'm gonna put my pet there. Let's go. Let's go. Legend. Oh my god.
So, papalitan ko yung aking color ng aking little pet. Dye.
Down.
I want it to be yellow and green.
I didn't have a pet. I only have like one pet. So. Pero even one that's under there. I don't even know.
There, I dye her yellow and green. There. They're green. We need this. As their pet. Need this. Need this.
Really that good. So I'm gonna let you.
So, ayan na. Maggawa tayo ng anvil and some for their name tag.
Can you give me mine? Because I'm like this again.
Anong gusto mong pangalan ng iyong Wolfie? Ha?
Just give it to me. You can name it.
Okay. Legends. Ayun na si Aye pala oh.
The iron.
Yep, our cousin.
There she is.
Oo! Gusto. Aye! Ano na? Ha? Hindi talaga kaya? Ang bilis ni si Abby. Kala niya kung ano. Wowie. Play na ikaw dyan. Sorry. And so, yan. Ayun na si Legend.
Did you nickname it?
Wala pa. I'm gonna name her Lila. Lily.
Oh my god, why?
It's Lily. Lila.
Stop!
Joke. Lena. Luna. Oh, so cute.
Moon and Luna.
Ba't may chicken na maliit?
Can you not help me? Because I don't know what do we do on the floor. Help me
There
with
is
the-
Luna.
Help me
Just
with the
wait!
floor.
And leaving me. So where is your freaking dog? Where are you twerking? What is this?
I need some
Pet house.
somewhat.
Oh, pet house. Legend. I name him.
Can you?
Na-name ko na.
There you
Ba't
go.
ka nagtitwerk?
And then underside and smooth. Oh, great.
So, ayun na nga. Come here. What? Hindi ko sila mapapapunta.
My pet is only can only follow her or his owner only. Actually, we cannot have the pool here though or the broom stand. Actually.
Oops. Hindi ko nang mapalo to si Luna. Kung hindi, patay to. Luna, you stubborn?
You stupid.
Come here.
What are you doing?
Unleashing them.
Why are you leashing it? You know it can follow you, right?
Kung nga pala, no? Sorry, basa ka na.
Do you want me to smack this?
No!
Do you want me to smack this butt?
Hala, I'm sorry. Hoy, 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 hoy. Uy, may nalaglag. Hoy, soup. Soup.
Yes.
May nasira.
What do you want me to do?
Ayusin, malamang.
Why me?
Ano ba yan?
Alright, fine.
Itong pusa na to, nakakainis.
Well, the cat usually walks though, so
I'm sorry.
you have to put it back. Let's go, Legend.
Hala, nasira yung barrier. Barrier. Barrier.
Alright, it's all on you, not me now.
Ano ba meron sa Luna na to?
The cat usually wants a walk. Some walkie-talkie. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys.
Biglang namatay yung pusa, no?
Stop it! I'm gonna walk your dog and my dog. Dog usually wants to take a walk.
Ako, naiinis na ako kay Luna.
You don't need to leash it though. I'm making some dog.
Yan, unleash, salamat. Nagigigil na ako kay Luna. Ba't niya ba sinusundan yung ocelot na yan, Char?
Cause he thinks like it's her mama.
Bakit mama?
Come on, kiddos. Go boys.
Bakit
Go
naman?
boys. I just make chili. They're here. Look, they're chili and our secret place. Not only a secret, but it's just a base.
Yun na, masaya ka na. Ayun to pa si Eric, oh.
Why are you kissing? There's no kissing allowed.
Hoy!
Luna and Legend are kissing, or it's just an accident. I don't know.
Where are they?
They're up there.
Bakit mo sila pinunta dyan?
Why? Why can't I?
I-unleash mo yung baby ko.
No. I'm gonna need to put them down. No. No. No.
No!
Alright, let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Both of you need some food. So I get the food because Luna, your owner, is such a bad kid. I'm gonna feed you.
What the heck?
Oy, i-unleash ko na to kasi alam ko anuhin niya na to. Kikis niya si Legend. Let's go, Legend. Let's go, Legend. Let's go, Legend. First, because I know you guys gonna kiss, so that's not allowed. Not allowed at all. Come Come on.
Astig. Down. Pataas. Okay. Yan ko lang
What
nalaman.
the hell?
Sorry,
Go away,
Idol.
Lily, or do you want me to kill you? Huh?
Lumayo na nga ako
Wanna
eh.
go out for me to kill you?
Huwag mong pakainin si Lily. Nakakainis ka naman.
Napakain ko kaya
She's
kumakain
mine.
sa akin.
La, Lily!
Help! This guy is
No.
such...
Laro na ikaw dyan. Lily!
Gumawa na lang kaya ako
Bakit
ng
mo
sliding
kasi
door for
gina?
the
Ba't mo kasi siya pinakain? Ayun. Lumabas ka din.
It feel like a good spot to like go down. Or not? It's like the mommy.
Patayin nyo nga yung chicken na to. Please, for me.
Yeah, you can do it. Actually, I had some business to do with my own. So I don't think this one's nice. Correct.
Yun na, pinatay nyo na yung chicken. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for killing the chicken. Oh, I want this cow. Oh, baby cars. Ang ginagawa mo?
What is he doing? It was like random.
Pear house. Wala, hindi ko pa pala naaayos tong gulong ginawa ko.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No! No. Ouch. Alright, you puppy. You son of a puppy. I want you to like sit down. No. I'm gonna put you like in here. You don't need...
Oh my God, I ruined everything. Naku, lagot.
Let's go, come on, legend. Oh, let's...
Eric, I'm so sorry.
Yes! I don't like people. Alright. Come on. Come.
I
Oh my God, there's a
ruined.
chicken! Can I kill this chicken? Hey, that's not allowed. That's not allowed.
I'm so lag kasi.
Stop it.
What do you mean? What do you mean you slain her?
Oh my God! Stop! You idiot! Stop it! He's like trying to come into our house. Alright, I'm gonna kick her right now. Like right now. Sorry, but I'm kicking you. I know that that's very bad. Because it's true. You can't just come into my house like that. I mean, on the house like that. So
Ano yun? Ba't ganun yung skin niya?
she looks like a chicken, right? You don't want to make her like a chicken later.
Come here, you doggo.
What do you mean?
Doggo, cat.
That's not even a dog. It's a cat and you're calling like a... What are you doing? Like, what are you
Luna and Lily, come here!
We got a team we called for slide and purple.
You, Luna. Sit down.
Come here, you son of a Luna.
There. Now, sundan mo. Lily, come here. Ay, come here, Lily. Lily, come here.
You son of a lele.
You son of a Lily. I don't have any lead.
I do have.
Lele, ayun. Very good. Nandito ka din. Come here, Lele.
What are you doing?
Come here, Lele. Yan, you sit here.
You lala boy.
Yeah. Yan, buti naman. Nag-sit siya dyan. Para hindi sila mag-teleport sa akin. Kawawa naman eh.
Okay, so I just need
So,
the water before.
bye-bye, guys. So, Eric was AFK for a moment.
Because
And anong ginagawa ni Ella?
I'm making a thing for like for sliding for people, so like a dog. Kasi
Wow.
pagbababa kasi sila na
So, dito, gawa na natin dito yung bahay. Paano ba to gawin? Hindi ko din alam kung paano to gawin eh.
gumawa ka lang ng rooms.
Rooms. How many rooms?
How many are we?
So, 4.
So do we need to like make for like an again?
Wow. Wee. Does this look like a slide to you?
I don't know. For me it's hard.
Paano ba gumawa ng slide, guys? Kung marunong kayo. Sana all.
Comment down below.
Eh, charot. May pa-comment.
Ay di na yan dito ko.
Wow. Wee.
Simon
Wee.
says yan guys.
So, yun lang muna for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe on the channel. I will link below. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Stay safe and wear your mask.